In the previous segment, we left off with the problem that if somebody went in and just changed one of the inputs without hitting calculate, they could make their program look as if it were in error. Well, the way to fix that would be to automatically clear the answer if someone changes one of the inputs. Let's repeat that. Clear the answer if somebody changes one of the inputs. Then they'd have to hit calculate. The good news is we can generate the code stub for this by simply double-clicking on the inputs. And we can see down here that it generates a code stub for txt base, and the event is text changed. That's nice. So if that's the case, what I would like to do is clear the output. So me.label area dot. Let's try a different method. Yep. Looks like text equals double quote is it. There are some other methods for clearing, but doesn't happen to work here. It looks like this is the only one that works. If we come up to txtbase.text, let's investigate a different method. me.txtbase.clear. Notice that apparently does the same thing. I'm going to put the single apostrophe in front of the other statement to comment it out. This is a technique you should use. Don't necessarily erase the code that you have that you don't know why it doesn't work. Comment it out. Keep it for the moment. Then later on, clean it out. But let's go try our program now. It was txt base. So that's the one that we would have to change. So we'll run it. We'll do 5 times 10 is that. And if I change that to a 2, aha, it did clear out the area. Let's go back to our design. We'd have to do the same thing for height. Double click it and go me.lbl area.text equals double quote. Does this appear to be redundant to you? It is. And in a later session we will learn how to combine these two into only one. I'm also going to scoot this properties window, etc. over a little bit so you can see what's going on a little bit further on. But let's test it one last time. Let's put in a 2 and a 1, calculate. Let's change this to a 4, calculate. This to a 2, calculate. It works very nicely. We did not finish documenting this system very well. We'll do that in the next